Hello and welcome. You're now looking at Upviral.com, and we're looking at Upviral because it is an example of a viral application that will allow you to multiply the number of leads for every individual that comes into your social media following and or your email marketing list. It's designed to boost your engagement as well as to expand your social media reach and naturally to build your email marketing list. It is an example of a viral application. And by far, it isn't the only application available. It does connect with WordPress and other autoresponders. And there are similar applications, and they are readily available, many with a trial. If you go to your favorite search engine and you look for viral applications like Upviral, you will find a number of them available, and you'll be able to undertake a free trial. But once you understand the basics of setting up viral applications and contests using Upviral, you'll be able to use whichever application you want. And so in this course, we will focus on the fundamentals and basics of creating a lead generation campaign using a viral application, and we'll focus by using Upviral. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.